Welcome to StorySpeak English, where you improve your English by listening to real stories, emotional conversations, and powerful life lessons. Each episode is carefully designed to help you build your vocabulary, understand native-style pronunciation, and speak English more confidently. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, just sit back, relax, and listen. Let your ears learn first, and your speaking will follow. Now, let's begin today's story. On a cold, rainy evening, Emma Carter, a fearless journalist, stood before the iron gates of Ravenwood Mansion, a place long forgotten by time. They said it was cursed. They said no one who entered ever returned the same. But Emma didn't believe in stories. She believed in the truth. And tonight, she had come to find it. As she pushed the gate open, the wind howled like a warning. Yet, she stepped inside. The air inside the mansion was thick, almost alive. Dust danced in the moonlight, and the silence was louder than any sound. Creak. She turned. No one. Her heart beat faster. Room by room, Emma searched. Old photos, broken mirrors, a child's toy, left untouched for decades. But then she heard a voice. A whisper. Help. Me. Emma followed the sound down a dark hallway into the basement. And there, chained to the wall, was a man, his clothes old, his face pale, his eyes filled with sorrow. Who are you? She asked. My name is Elias, and I've been trapped here for 70 years. The romantic twist. As days passed, Emma visited Elias again and again. She brought him food. She listened to his story. He was a writer, like her. He had once come to the mansion to uncover its secrets, just like she had. But the mansion had trapped him in a curse, a punishment for the guilt he carried from his past. And slowly, through fear, through darkness, love began to bloom. The horror grows. One night, Emma heard screams echo through the walls. The mirrors cracked. The floor shook. Shadows moved on their own. The mansion was waking up. It whispered her worst memories. It showed her every failure, every fear. You'll never escape, it said, but Elias held her hand. Yes, we will. If you face it, I'll face it with you. Together, they climbed the tower where the curse began. There, in a broken room filled with ghostly silence, Emma saw her younger self, scared, alone, doubting her worth. Elias saw the moment he gave up on his dreams, and they realized the curse was not from ghosts. It was their own fears, their regrets, their shame. Only by forgiving themselves, by believing again, could they break free. The motivational end. As the sun rose, the mansion trembled. Its walls cracked. Its darkness faded. Emma and Elias stepped into the light, free. Fear didn't defeat us, Emma said. It revealed us. Their love had become their weapon. Their past had become their power. And from that day on, they told their story, not just of horror, not just of love, but of hope. Because in the darkest places, courage shines brightest. Did you enjoy the story? What would you do if you were Emma? Comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more English learning stories full of suspense, love, and life lessons. Stay brave. Stay curious. Welcome to StorySpeak English.